Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to talk about a little slippery slope that Microsoft has started with Windows 11, and it's only going to get worse. So let's go back in time a little bit and talk about Windows 98, 95, 98, and all of that. If you remember, Microsoft got in trouble because it would take Internet Explorer at the time, which is the web browser they had, and the integration with Windows became extremely important. Actually, there was a path where Internet Explorer and Windows were going to be one big item. And if you remember, there was an active desktop, and you could show actually a web page on it. It was really, really integrated until there was one thing. Two things actually happened. One, the chief of Windows at the time kind of didn't like that and told Bill Gates that he wanted Windows to be Windows and that the web should be something else and not within Windows. And that was about to happen. Apparently, Bill Gates was agreeing with that. But, of course, at the same time, there was this antitrust. And the government actually started looking into Microsoft and, the competition that was there. And, of course, it told Microsoft that it couldn't do things that it was doing because it was really, really basically just, dominating everywhere because of the way that he was doing business. So Microsoft kind of relaxed, and now what's actually happening, and on Windows 11 particularly, we see it more. Windows 10, okay, but Windows 11, the first thing that maybe some of you hadn't noticed is how difficult for a while that it was to put your app, your browser, as a default app. So in the default apps, Edge was the default browser, and even if you had Chrome, well, it was difficult at first to have whatever browser as a default browser. But now they kind of simplified it a little bit to kind of ease the the people going crazy and saying, look, no, we're getting mad at this. You cannot do that, and Edge cannot be, it can be that difficult to change your default browser. I'm sorry, but that's not the way it works. And so, of course, they gave us a little candy by letting us do set default and making it a little easier to actually set up as a default. And that was the first red light, I think, the alert for Windows 11. And it's only going to get worse, as there's one thing that is apparent, is that everything underlining what's happening, web apps, all of that, it's all centered on Microsoft Edge, all centered on Microsoft's own browser. Everything you use under the hood, if we look at the widgets here, the widgets panel, all of that actually uses Edge. It's creeping in everywhere right now. Not just that, apparently, the Windows Copilot is not a new app. It's not an app that's done from the start that will be in Windows, which I thought it was. What I've learned from Paul Thurrott in an article that he wrote is that, no, it should technically be just like what you have here in Edge. It'll be a panel, a side panel within Windows, but that is entirely run within Microsoft Edge. Once again, creeping Microsoft Edge everywhere in every way possible. So this, I think, is making Microsoft approach once again that time when, antitrust issues could happen. Up to where will they go with this? The integration of the web browser is getting everywhere, and of course it's in the purpose of going where? Of course, going towards Bing all the time. And that reaches a little bit the advertising that I was talking in a previous video. So I think Microsoft needs to be careful, because it definitely is walking on a thin line, and it won't take much to cross and be in trouble again with the U.S. government. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.